Welcome to Blue Baron Carpet Cleaning Systems, LLC, home of the Access Point Heat Exchanger technology. It's a patented design, and this film is just going to show you a little bit of the way it's set up. And it's 18 inches long by 8 inches inside diameter for the stainless pipe housing. The outside is 8.5. And typically we use Kohler engines, great source of heat. Usually comes out as a 1 inch, and what we do is we stage it to a 1 1/4. That way we're allowed to use the 1 3/8 stainless interlocking hose. Great looks, functionality, durability, and the look of having an airtight plus the stainless SBC T-bolt clamps makes it look really nice. And whatever your requirements are for your engine, we can adapt it to. We can also go up way up even to 4 inches, where we've used these for the 59 blower style heat exchanger. These units can also be used for PTOs and coolant style as well, using the very same artwork design, the Access Point design. The first consideration, of course, is to try to get as close as you can to your header, and to make it as direct as you can, but making sure that you have an intermediate stainless flex hose to act for shock absorbency. And as far as wear and tear and everything, you want to always have this between your header and your heater, making sure that it comes up in a straight line and comes up into your elbow and across here. Right now these are 1 1/4. It was set up as 1 1/4. The 1 inch header, typical of the smaller engines up to 30 horse, have a 1 1/4 is here, but 1 inch is here. So what we do is we stage up to, again, to the 1 1/4, so we're allowed to use this. Also, you can go vertical. Okay, you just make sure that when the heat gases come in, that they come in from the bottom, and of course warm air rises to the top to exit out the top. The cold water and hot water connections are interchangeable, and they're always on the inlet side. And you make your face plate here, your base plate, which can go anywhere within the architecture of your truck mount. Also, like even for the compact 36s, they go below the bottom base of where the engine is and the exhaust pipe. So you can pretty much put any location as long as you make a good connection and try to use as short a pipe as you can. Later on we can use thermal wrap in order to house most of the heat. There's great heat in these Access Point heat exchange technology here. There's great heat transfer, stable, quick rise in temperature. That is why everybody's buying these heat exchangers. And of course a lot of manufacturers have been knocking on my door because they want to build their truck mounts using our technology. We're concerned about the end user and those truck mount companies, those guys that are out there doing carpets that want to improve or augment their existing units, bringing equity into their truck mounts and allowing a great stable heat. And we can help in any way, all the different models we work with. We work with the ProChem aftermarkets. We're the only ones in the U.S. that do the discontinued models, like the Blazer XL and Plus and the Performer Cub XL. We're the only ones that actually make these heat exchangers in the U.S. So after you've done your research, you will find that we are the only ones in the U.S. that build a heat exchanger that actually works, can maintain pressures up to 3,500 pounds pressure rating, so that it gives you a wide window of opportunity to give you many different types of cleaning tasks. Pressure washing all the way down to carpet cleaning. This unit here is designed to go up to 3,000 pounds. And as you see here, we have the same thing in the back. We have the stainless 1 1/4 flange with the SBC T-bolt clamps coming down and to the bottom to a post heater. In a lot of cases, you don't even need a post heater. We do this for winterizing and to the cold states that require a little bit of a jump start. So we also use a bypass to allow circulation of the heater to give real-time temperatures in the system, because not all the temperatures are the same throughout. If you come from the heater out to the front panel, there's a propagation time and delay of temperature if you don't use a bypass. And we have this circulating back into our water box. And this whole unit is very versatile in usage. We can go from 1 inch to 1 1/4, 1 1/2. We can even go 3/4 thread so that you can incorporate the adaptation of a coolant system where it goes to your V8 engine, and we use a 3/4 hose barb connects in the 90 Street Ls that can be adapted to the 1 1/4. We can actually go from 1 inch and use a stainless adapter from 1 inch to 3/4, and that will allow you an adaptation as well. If you future want to use this system going from coolant to exhaust, you can do that if you start out with a 1 inch female stainless coupling, which will be at the bottom, and of course the other one will be on the other side. Your fill will be at the bottom, and the opposite way, the return line would go back to your engine. So there's a lot of versatility in this unit, and you'll like the heat. And if you have any questions, call us on the weekends. We're busy working, helping customers bring their machine, resurrect their machines and bring them to the heat that they need to do the job, making the customers happy, getting those carpets really clean and dry quickly. We also build headers and exhaust diverters as well. And visit us online at stores.truckmountcarpetcleaningmachines.com, or visit us on our website at truckmountcarpetcleaningmachines.com. And we also have heat exchangers for truckmounts.com. Visit us there as well, and we'll answer all your questions. Call us today at 727-505-2989 and ask for Pete. Have a nice day. Thank you.